Imagine this. You pull up to the pump, swipe your card, and watch the numbers spin like a slot machine. Except you never win. Every month, prices rise. Every week, your tank empties faster. And every day, it feels like fuel is quietly draining your wallet, drop by drop. But what if I told you, buried beneath the noise, the marketing, and the official statements, there are 13 fuel-saving secrets, practical, powerful, shockingly simple tricks that gas stations hope you never discover? Because if everyone used them, fuel sales would plummet, profits would crash, and the industry would lose billions. Today, we expose those secrets. Not rumors, not myths. Real, science-backed, money-saving methods that hide right in front of you. So stay with me, because by the end of this documentary, you'll never look at your fuel gauge the same way again. 1. The silent wallet killer. Hard acceleration. Fast acceleration is fun. It feels powerful, responsive, thrilling. Like your car has suddenly become part of a racing scene. But here's the dark truth. That thrill is one of the fastest ways to burn money. Gas stations love it when you drive aggressively, because every sudden acceleration dumps a burst of fuel into your engine. But most drivers don't realize this because the effect doesn't scream at you immediately. You don't see smoke, hear a warning, or feel damage. The only sign is your tank draining faster than it should. Gentle acceleration, smooth, steady pressure keeps your RPM low, burns less fuel, and extends your tank dramatically. Driving softly is not slow. It's smart. It's controlled. And the people who master this single habit can save hundreds of dollars every year. Gas stations will never encourage you to do this, but your future bank account will thank you for it. 2. Coasting. The trick that feels wrong but saves money. When most people see a red light or slow down ahead, they instinctively stay on the gas a little longer, then brake suddenly. It feels natural, but it wastes momentum, one of the most valuable resources you have while driving. Coasting, lifting your foot off the accelerator early and letting your car glide forward, uses zero fuel in many modern vehicles. Your engine automatically reduces fuel flow when you're coasting in gear. Gas stations don't want you to know this because coasting makes you last far longer between fill-ups. 3. The steady speed. Advantage: why fast driving burns cash. The relationship between speed and fuel isn't linear. It's brutal. Drive at 60 miles per hour and your engine works comfortably. Push past 75 miles per hour, and suddenly air resistance fights you like a wall. Go above 85 miles per hour and your engine strains, guzzling fuel just to maintain the same motion. Gas stations love fast drivers. High speeds force more fill-ups, but steady speeds, especially with cruise control, keep your RPM stable, reduce drag, and maintain efficiency. It's not just about going slower, it's about eliminating constant speed fluctuations. Speeding up, slowing down, then speeding again is the fuel equivalent of running upstairs, stopping, and running again. Exhausting. Wasteful. 4. The hidden power of higher gears. In manual cars, people either shift too late or hold lower gears too long for more power. But lower gears mean higher RPM. And higher RPM means your engine drinks fuel like a thirsty monster. Gas stations benefit from this lack of awareness. But the smart driver shifts early. Higher gears at lower RPMs allow your engine to do the same work with far less energy. Imagine walking on stairs versus walking on flat ground. Both get you to your destination, but one exhausts you much faster. 5. The idling trap, where fuel burns for nothing. You might think it's just a minute, but idling is a silent thief. When your car idles, it burns fuel without moving at all, like paying rent on an apartment you're not living in. Gas stations profit heavily from idling culture. People leave their engines running while waiting for someone, browsing their phone, or stuck longer than expected. But modern engines don't need warm-ups. They don't benefit from idling. In fact, idling for more than 60 seconds wastes more fuel than restarting your engine. 6. Tire pressure. The fuel efficiency villain. Nobody checks. Flat or low tires are not just a safety hazard, they're fuel vampires. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder. Harder work equals more fuel. But here's the twist. Gas stations rarely display warnings or guides about tire pressure because low pressure boosts fuel consumption, which boosts their profits. Drivers, unaware, lose money every mile. 7. Car weight. The heavy truth about extra junk. Every kilogram you carry requires energy to move, whether it's old clothes in the trunk, forgotten tools, crates, gym bags, or random items you'll clean later. Extra weight silently drains fuel. Gas stations benefit from clutter. A heavier car needs more throttle, more power, more fuel. But removing unnecessary items lightens your load and extends every tank. 8. Aerodynamics. The hidden drag. No one talks about roof racks, cargo boxes, bike mounts. They look convenient, but they're silent fuel killers. Anything that disrupts your car's aerodynamic profile forces your engine to push harder through the air. Even an empty roof rack can increase fuel consumption by up to 20% at high speed. Gas stations know that drivers love accessories. They know you'll keep them installed just in case. But the truth is simple. If you're not using a roof rack, remove it. If your car looks like it's ready for a camping trip every day, your mileage is suffering. 9. Regular maintenance, the secret science behind efficiency. An untuned engine burns more fuel trying to compensate for problems you can't see. Dirty air filters, clogged injectors, old spark plugs. Each tiny issue forces your engine to work harder. And gas stations never warn you about this because an inefficient car means more fuel sales. But a well-maintained vehicle runs like a healthy athlete. It breathes better, moves better, burns fuel cleaner, and wastes nothing. It accelerates smoothly, idles calmly, and delivers peak efficiency. Simple maintenance, oil changes, filters, timing checks can transform how your car behaves. Maintenance isn't an expense, it's an investment. And the return on that investment shows up every time your fuel gauge drops slower than expected. 10. Using the correct fuel. Don't fall for the premium. Myth premium fuel sounds fancy, powerful, luxurious, but here's the thing. Most cars don't need it. Regular fuel is perfectly fine unless your engine specifically requires high octane. Gas stations promote premium because profit margins are higher. They rely on the myth that premium makes all cars run better. But modern engines are engineered with precise tolerances. If your car is designed for regular fuel, premium offers no performance gain, no efficiency boost, and no engine benefit. You're simply paying more for the same result. 11. Trip combining. The secret advantage of warm engines. Cold engines are inefficient engines. They burn more fuel because the oil hasn't fully circulated and the internal components haven't reached optimal performance temperature. Gas stations love short trips, like grocery runs, quick errands, or dropping someone off, because every cold start drains extra fuel. Combine your errands, group your destinations. Do one longer trip instead of 5 small ones. Once your engine warms up, it runs cleaner, smoother, and far more efficiently. 12. Route planning. Avoid traffic. Save fuel. Traffic lights, congestion, construction zones all create stop-and-go driving. And stop-and-go driving is the enemy of fuel efficiency. Gas stations indirectly profit from this because frustrated drivers burn fuel quicker and fill up more often. Planning your route using maps, traffic predictions, alternate roads, or avoiding rush hours reduces unnecessary braking and idling. Smooth, continuous driving is always the most efficient. Even a 5-minute difference in timing can save significant fuel over weeks and months. 13. The dangerous secret that does work. But should you do it? Drafting or driving closely behind a large vehicle reduces wind resistance and improves fuel efficiency. It works. Truckers use it. Race cars depend on it. And gas stations absolutely hate how effective it is. But here's the truth. It's dangerous, illegal in many places, and not worth the risk. A split-second miscalculation can lead to catastrophic accidents. However, understanding the principle matters. Aerodynamic slipstreams are real, and even a safe following distance behind a truck at highway speeds can slightly reduce drag without putting you in harm's way. The fuel freedom mindset. Fuel prices are not going down. The industry is not changing. And gas stations will always benefit from habits most drivers never question. But the moment you start applying these 13 secrets, smooth acceleration, coasting, steady speeds, higher gears, no idling, proper tire pressure, lighter loads, better aerodynamics, regular maintenance, correct fuel, trip combining, route planning, and aerodynamic awareness, your vehicle transforms, belongs. The truth is simple. Fuel efficiency isn't a secret. It's a mindset. If this documentary opened your eyes, hit like, share it with someone who's always complaining about fuel prices, and subscribe for more deep, eye-opening videos that reveal the secrets hiding in plain sight. Together, we can outsmart the pump, one tank at a time.